So YouTube pulled about 28.8 bill in advertising income in 2021, right? So I'm gonna show you how to get a piece of that, right? Let's go. If you don't mind hitting that sub button and the like button and commenting, I'd also appreciate that. It's gonna help me drop some more game for you guys, right? So let's get in the video. Take a look at this channel. It's called Trend Max, right? They have about 2.1 mil subs, and they're pulling in about 1 to 70k every month, right? But none of these videos has a guy's face in it. It's all automated, right? So if I click on any of these here, I'm not gonna play the video, but you get what I'm saying, right? So all you're gonna want to do is click on these three dots right here. Okay, hit show transcript, and what you're gonna do is copy this whole line, like copy it, right? Then what we're gonna do, I'm gonna head over to Fiverr. We're gonna type in video editor. Okay, video editor. We're gonna search for someone that we can give this transcript to, and they can turn it into a video, right? So make sure you get someone with good reviews, and you probably get a decent video out of that. Okay, also what you want to do is look for which YouTube niche pays the highest, right? So you're gonna look at the CPM. Which CPM is the highest? Okay, if we go here, probably see something like making money or finance would pay the highest, simply because the guys who are advertising here have money to invest in like products and stuff, and they're willing to pay these high rates for the ads. So yeah, as you can see, there's the top 10, video games at 10, education at 4, and making money online at 1. That's the type of niche we want to get into, get paid the most, right? Once we're done finding someone on Fiverr and we already pay them, then you're going to head over to Canva. You're going to make a free YouTube logo, banner, and then what we're going to do, we're going to make a YouTube channel. I'm sure everyone knows how to make a channel by now. I mean, it's 2023, I think. Yeah, 2023. Yeah, and then basically all we have to do then is post the video on YouTube. Okay. Oh yeah, and by the way, to get monetized on YouTube, you need 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers. So in order to get 4,000 hours, you can just search up on YouTube how to get 4,000 hours, and you'll probably find a video. 1,000 subs, I guess you can search up a place to buy them. You can use SMM panels if you want. Okay, I don't know about the quality, but you can try. And then basically, once you're monetized, all you gotta do is just keep on pumping these videos on YouTube every day and make a shit ton of money, bro. It's like that simple. Oh yeah, and also by the way, these are the top 10 highest countries CPM rates, right? So Norway's sitting at $43. US is sitting at number 10 at $13. I don't know why it's so low, but it has $13. So if you live in these countries, you're probably gonna make the most money. So if you do, happy you, good you. There's also these other places. Bolivia is only like 0.73, so you can check it out. Check what country you live in. I don't know if you can use a VPN to bypass this, but you can try. Yeah, and that's basically it. You can make a lot of money with this, man. Let's check this channel here. Pulled in about 711 million views. Holy shit. Right, so estimated yearly 12 to 205k. That's a lot of money, bro. So yeah, guys, good luck. Okay, tell me what you think. Tell me if it worked for you. Comment below, like, subscribe, all that good stuff, bro. And I guess I'll see you in another video, man. Peace out.